You guys know that I live in my car so much between the toddlers and Carly at school and running her to volleyball and errands and just all the family stuff. So something that I found, I have really sensitive teeth and I like my teeth to be white, but I can hardly handle it. But I found these LumiSmile whitening strips that you can just do at home. You don't have to go to the dental office and sit through a horrible, painful treatment. These are so wonderful. And the best part is because they're on the go. I already took one out of the box. So this is what they come in like. The best part is that they dissolve. So you know the other strips that you've tried, you have to like leave them on and then you have to take them off and it's like really goopy in your mouth and then you have to brush your teeth and all this stuff. And nobody has time to do that. So these are so simple because you just put them on your teeth and then they dissolve in like 15 minutes. Isn't that so cool? Okay, I was just saying that I think that that's so cool. So you just place them just like you would. See? The best part is because I have so many errands to run today. This is why I love these, because I live in my car and so now I can whiten my teeth while I'm out in my car running errand. You gotta keep these ones moist. So anyways, feels so good. Anyway, what I love is that I can do it in my car and then they dissolve and I don't have to sit at home. It's just, and I have such sensitive teeth. These do not bother my mouth at all. I also know somebody's gonna ask me if they taste gross. They do not. They have a nice, fresh mint flavor to them. So this is just my little packet that I'm keeping in my car with me. But I love them because, as you can see, they're just starting to dissolve a little bit. But it feels like it's also freshening my breath. So to do these out in the car while I'm running errands or whatever I'm doing out and about, I love them. My teenage daughter has tried them too and she loves them. So I'm like about it. I need to get some more. Anyways, if you guys have tried these, let me know. If not, I will send you the link right here. Happy smiling.